Design of clinical medical data monitoring system based on artificial intelligence and big data. With the development of the media information technology, the scale of the clinical medical data increases exponentially, which bring great difficulty to the measurement of the monitoring of the clinical media data, the hardware unit of the clinical media data. Monitoring system consists of hardware form unit, processed select unit, RAM memory selection unit, and its gateway and remote collectment device selection unit. Through the design of the hardware unit and the software module, the operation of the clinical media data monitoring system is realized. Compared with the existing system, the design system has shorter response time and higher monitoring efficiency, which fully provides that the design system has better application performance and provides effective measures to hospital administration and the public health management department. In the medical and health industry, but also because of its industry characteristics, clinical media data has been more and more mentioned in recent years because of the object of study. But how to make big data of the clinical media treatment from the cloud to be real and effective information produce or service is still something worth studying. The clinical media industry has met the challenge of the massive data and unstructured data for a long time. Because of the limited of the technology and the fallacies, it has not been applied well. In recent years, many countries are actively promoting the development of the medical information nation and also of the artificial intelligence technology, which means the many medical institutions have to funds and directing to do big data analysis, which resolve the electronic health record systems, image systems, electronic prescription software, medical claims, public health report, and the related application and the mobile measures device. The medical service industry has emerged as the prominent beneficiaries of big data with the greatest analytics potential. Based on the analysis of the medical big data and the artificial intelligence technology, and this paper calculated and the analysis claimed medical data and found this enriching and irregular phenomena. Procured to the above idea, the set of the climate media data monitoring system is designed and implemented in the media institutes and the public health management department, which brought effective measures for hospital managers and the public health management department. The hardware include hardware form built unit, processor selection unit, RAM memory select unit, and its gateway and remote collect device selection unit. The system adopt module design mentioned, adopt ARM systems V5 architectures S3C2440A as the mini control unit chip, and the hardware design is divided into the foundations modules. Design of the intermediate means controls board and the interface board. Many includes memory circuit, M-phase memory circuit, power supply module circuit, ECG rate collector module circuit, body temperature treatment collection module circuit, plus oxygen saturation collection module. The software modules of the design system include data acquisitions and treatment modules. The data mining modules are data stability control modules. Data acquisition and treatment module. The climate media data mining include temperature, ECG rate, plus oxygen saturation exact, and all the data collection and transmission and schedules are staged and follow. And temperature measures the schedule. There are two measures of the collectible temperature data. Transition contact measurements is easy to voltage after breaking, polluting the environment. This kind of measurement mentioned has been limited in some areas. In electronics, there's mentors in the existing technology. In electronics, their mentor can not only achieve this continuous measurement, but also can be achieve continuous measurement, which provide help to continuous measurement of body temperatures. GCG rate measurement programs. Nowadays, more and more electronic technology is used to in media treatment. Many companies has introduced some small integrated circuit chip in which flatter circuits, artifact and ending AD converters and concentrators. There is a digital signal processing module inside the chip for digital filter algorithm. So choose a small BMD101 ECG acoustics chip. Not only can reduce the layout of the circuit, but also can make the design more conscious for modules design, processor for processing. Plus blood oxygen saturation measurement schedule. YS2008 module used to photos chemical measurement mentioned. High measurement accuracy, good real time. Therefore, this monitoring system uses YS2008 module with a digital blood oxygen probe to the clotting plus and blood oxygen saturation. Data mining modules. Technologies and machines used to data mining meaning come from the interdisciplinary and relation technology field, which can be summarized as follows: the 3 points. The first is stated mentioned, and the second is the desired tree, and the third is the artificial neural network. Data stems control module. This module uses the artificial intelligence control technology to carry on the accurate control to the climate media data stability, enhance the data monitoring effect. In the monitoring system of the climate media data, there is a high demand of the real-time data. This required mobile platform-side application to access the back-end database at regular intervals, download the latest data in a timely manner. However, during the download of data, there are likely to be data loss, response timeout, data read undatedly, and so on. In the whole process of system, the system should, especially the mentioned of daytime stability. In this paper, the use are from job management machines to comply. Construction of the experiment environment. The experiment environment is the key to the smooth progress of the experiment. The spatial building process as follows. in order to ensure the step operation of the system and the response efficiency of the data analysis and the intelligence supplies. The follow hardware environment and the corresponding system are planned. The inter-server meaning deploys the rules inter-servers. In a development environment, multiple inter-servers are started on a single inter-server. Different inter-servers take the different point to provide the communication. Schedule and other application services are mainly used to deploy the ETL schedule servers. Beforehand, the remainder service, the web appliance service, and other application servers. The spatial inference results are analyzed as follows. The exact system response time range is 9.46 seconds and 14.45 seconds. Yes. The main reason is that in the design of the system, the big data technology is used to mine and process collected data, which improves the performance of the system. Compared with the system's response time of the design system is shorter and the monetary efficiency is higher, which will provide that the design system has a bigger application performance. By introducing artificial intelligence and big data analysis mentioned, a new collective measure data monitoring system is designed, which greatly shortens the system response time and improves the system monitoring efficiency. Thank you.